What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. It is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee. Just you and I going over the latest market analytics, price action, and of course, the latest news. Now, I'm going to briefly talk about this. We're not going to spend too much time on it because we know that price is bearish, that sentiment is bearish, that everything is bearish at the moment, but eventually it must turn. It says, from a technical perspective, Shiba Inu coin remains under pressure. The SHIB US dollar pair is down 32% since the start of the year and could record further losses in the near term. The token is trading near its yearly low after significant correction from its 2026 peak, and weekly price action indicates that sellers continue to dominate the market. Now, the 4-hour RSI points to weak momentum, but has not yet reached deeply oversold territory. This suggests that there could still be room for further downside. The MACD lines are also in the bearish region, adding further confluence to the current weak narrative. If the current bearish trend persists, immediate support is at 430, which of course we have fallen through. We're right now at 426 points per coin after touching 406 points per coin just this morning. Now, news goes on to say that a decisive break below could trigger 300 points per coin. And guys, since making a name for itself, Shiba Inu coin has never floated in these waters before. We are literally sitting in uncharted territory, well below, nearly 20% below those lows that we had previously reached. So what gives? It all has to do with the emotion. Extreme fear is causing people to do idiotic things. Emotional decisions will cause them to lose. Look, I don't know what happens tomorrow. We could go even further down. We could go, we could step on a rocket and go up. But what I do know is every time throughout history that investors have been fearful, greed and extreme greed has returned afterwards. Right now, investors are extremely fearful. Greed will return afterwards as long as history doesn't, history would have to be made. Let's put it that way. History would have to be made for the market not to rebound. So knowing how simple it is, I decide to accumulate. Guys, it's annoying. I get it. You don't want to hear the guy on the screen always say, I'm buying more, I'm buying more, I'm buying more. But I am. Right? And there's no other way to put it. I'm not going out there every day and investing everything that I have on one single move. I'm going out there steadily accumulating because I believe in this market. Not necessarily for tomorrow, but for the future. I believe that this industry will grow to levels that a lot of people can't even imagine.